Today, I'm going to show you how to create a music video with a comic style like the Houdini video. First, you need to find a comic layout, which you can search for by typing comic book horizontal into your search engine, and you'll find plenty of layouts. In the first step, I'll create a composition with a size of 1920 by 1080 and name it Video 01. Now, I'll duplicate this comp in the project window using the shortcut Ctrl+D for as many layouts as I have. Then I'll open each comp, import the video, and adjust its size to match the comp. I'll repeat this process for each layout. Alright, now that the video is vertical. So, by pressing the shortcut Ctrl+K, you access the composition settings and can switch the composition to vertical orientation. I'll open the comic book comp and close the previous comps. I'll bring the first comp into the timeline and fit it into the frame I want. I'll repeat this process for all the videos. So, now I'll turn off all the layers to avoid distraction. Select the layer and start masking using the pen tool. Great! Now I'll animate this scene. First, I'll create a shape layer and choose Rectangle from the Add section. And name it Move. Then, I'll select all the layers and parent them to the Move layer. Make sure to enable the 3D option for ease of use. Now, I'll add keyframes to the timeline and move them around to create the desired movement. I'll select both keyframes and press F9 to ease them in and out for smoother animation. I'll repeat this process for each scene. To add comic-style text, I'll use the Motion Factory plugin. Search for comic in the search bar, select the desired element, download it, and import it into the project. Once it's in the project panel, I'll drag it onto the comp. If it has a background, I'll remove it by selecting the layer and unchecking the background option in the Effects control window. Then, I can double-click on the text to change it. If I want to adjust the timing, I'll right-click on the layer, go to Time, and adjust the Stretch Time option. For example, setting it to 80 will make it slower. Alright, let's see how it looks dash. To make the movement smoother, I'll also turn on motion blur. And that's it. Thank you for watching.